Hello traders, welcome back to the JC Trades YouTube channel where I'll post my raw and authentic trading journey. Today is January 29th, 2026, and I'll be walking you guys through the trade that I took for the session. So let's just get into it. Okay, so to start the day, if we look at the bigger picture, we are currently in a 4-hour bullish gap, and then we also have 4 hours bullish gap down here. So I'm potentially looking for maybe price to open, take out this Asia, and then continue higher for these draws on liquidity. We have multiple session highs as well as multiple session lows, so I'm kind of just waiting for price and then I'm reacting off of it. But if we look off the open, let's see what the market does. Yeah, it dumped 400 points in an hour. So the only minor pullback was here. I was constantly marking out these 5-minute gaps as well as this 15-minute gap, but we just never got a pullback into these gaps for a continuation. So I decided to take a counter trend trade, which is not a good thing to do, but I just want to get a small piece of the pie as there was no setups to keep going with the trend. So if we play price for a little bit more forward, we came down and we left this New York AM low, and then we inverse this 1-minute gap. I waited for a pullback. We get a pullback into the CE of this gap, and I enter here. I place stops below this wick, as if I were to place it down here, it's a 55-point stop, which I'm not comfortable with. So I trailed it a little tighter for a 28-point stop, and then I front ran this 5-minute gap a little bit. So I just went to this high for a 1 to 1.6 RR trade. I was risking a little heavier on this trade, I believe, just to try to get a couple points out the market. So play price forward, bam, and there. Within 2 candles, we wick my full TP. There's no break-even opportunities. There's nothing. It's just 2 candles move 50 points, and that's how the market's been today. Let's just look for an example. This one candle is 80 points, 70, 80 points. So, I mean, there wasn't many opportunities to get into this full trend, but I decided to take a little counter trend trade. These 2 candles got me $440. So taking my little piece of the pie for the day, and that is that. The session is still going on currently. If I keep playing price forward, you can see it's just melting. I mean, it's just taking all my draws on liquidity and absolutely dumping. So I'm fine with the $440 I made for the day. I'm fine with the 47 points. I just had to hop off the charts, make a quick little recap before I'm completely done with the market for the day. So anybody trading PM session today, I'm not sure what you're going to get, because 600 points in the open is something that I personally have never seen before. So yeah, that's my little recap for the day. Just a quick trade taken at 10:23. So that is my trade recap for the day. If you enjoyed, drop a comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next breakdown. Peace.